Hello everyone, welcome to the next episode of Grepow's Battery Monday. My name is Zach, and today I'll be discussing how high voltage lithium polymer batteries can benefit you. Now, with the improvement of electrical devices, the market has demanded a higher requirements for the batteries, such as a smaller size, longer discharge, larger capacity, things like that. Based on these needs, high voltage batteries are becoming increasingly popular. High voltage batteries are lithium polymer batteries with a nominal voltage over 3.7 volts. They are used for the purpose of being able to retain more power than ordinary batteries. With their ability to quickly charge and to provide a high output, these batteries are widely used in the hybrid and electrical industries, such as boat motors, drones, etc. The difference between high voltage batteries and ordinary batteries is that the electrical chemical window of the electrolyte in high voltage batteries is wider, and the physiochemical properties of the positive electrode material in high voltage batteries are more stable than their counterpart. At present, there are pure cobalt and pure ternary systems for the positive electrode of high voltage batteries, and the matching negative electrode is high capacity, high compacted graphite, or silicon carbon. The energy density of the high voltage 4.35 volt system battery can reach up to 660 watt-hours per liter, while the high voltage 4.4 volts can reach 740 watt-hours per liter. In terms of the discharge rate, high voltage batteries have a higher discharge rate and should theoretically be more suitable for use in equipment that requires a large power output within a short window of time. High voltage batteries have a higher discharge platform, and high voltage batteries are lighter than standard batteries that have the same capacity. Overall, the extra voltage modestly improves the performance of appliances. High voltage batteries also have high energy density. They can provide more capacity under the same conditions of use, so they have a longer battery life while delivering more power. Generally, the life of the high voltage battery of Grepow will be increased by 15 to 25%, and the energy density of the battery reflects the storage capacity per unit weight of the battery and is calculated as follows. Gravimetric energy density, watt-hours divided by kilogram, equals battery capacity times voltage divided by weight. Thus, it can be seen that improving the energy density of lithium batteries can mainly be done by increasing the amount of positive and negative active substances, increasing the specific capacity of the material, as well as increasing the operating voltage and reducing the weight of the battery. As the technology behind high voltage batteries have matured over time, so have their safety ratings. We strongly believe that high voltage batteries will become more and more widespread in the near future. Well, that's all for today. If you have any questions about today's topic or have any battery-related things that you want to know, feel free to contact us at info@grepow.com. Until then, my name is Zach, and thank you for watching.